How to use voice memos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your existing recordings and folders like recently deleted. Tap on All Recordings. Here, you can see your full list of memos. To start a new recording, tap on the button at the bottom of the screen as shown. You can then tap the button again to stop and automatically save the recording. Simply tap on the recording from the list to play it back. If you want to remove the recording, tap on the delete icon. Now, again tap on the recording. This time, tap on the three dots beside the memo to access more options. From here, you can share, edit, duplicate, or move the file. Following these steps, you can easily use voice memos on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.